So there's your typical step down shower. The screen will go straight across there. People still like them these days, though it's still better than a hob. The waste will go in like that. We're level all the way around. And falling nicely to the waste. All angles, see that? I never go corner to corner like that, nah, because all the time I try to use full tiles, not split my tiles. This is an easy shower base to do, and you shouldn't have to split your tiles. If I went corner to corner like that, I would have a hollow spot, and a lot of times your tile is drummy. Quite a few people are starting to